Proton Pass, a secure solution for protecting your data. Hello crypto enthusiasts. If you want to work with digital assets, store important information online, and care about security, check out Proton Pass. It's a convenient and functional password manager developed by the Proton team, the same team that bought us the Proton Mail and Proton VPN. What makes Proton Pass special? It doesn't just stop passwords. It applies end-to-end encryption to all your login data. This means that even the company itself cannot access these. Proton Pass can recognize and instantly notify you if your personal data has been leaked. The built-in secure password generator, passkey technology support, and built-in authenticator for 2FA codes make it one of the most versatile solutions on the market. In the crypto space, your wallet seed phrases, exchange accounts, and DeFi logins are prime targets for attackers. Proton Pass helps you protect your most sensitive data in a secure, encrypted wallet and only you can access. You can generate strong, unique passwords for every platform you use, from centralized exchanges to NFT marketplaces, and store your seed phrases and private keys in secure, custom vaults. The built-in 2FA code manager is perfect for platforms like Binance, MetaMask, or KuCoin, helping you stay secure without switching apps. Proton Pass offers more than just a password storage. It's a complete next-generation digital security system. If you value privacy and want to protect your crypto assets from online threats, get Proton Pass now with 60% off with my link, proton.me James in Crypto. I will leave it in the description box as well. Today we will talk about what is happening in the cryptocurrency market and what prospects the leading coins have. Investors are watching the movement of Bitcoin and Ether with tension because both assets are approaching their historical highs, and this is always a signal for possible breakthroughs. Bitcoin is currently confidently holding above the level of $117,000 and has repeatedly tested the mark of $122,000. Each new approach to resistance makes it weaker, which means the probability of a breakdown is higher. The main target of the bulls is the historical maximum of $123,118. If they manage to gain a foothold higher, the road opens to $135,000. However, the bears still have a chance to change the picture. To do this, they need to quickly bring the price below the 50-day average of about $114,000. In this case, the pressure of buyers will weaken, and we may see a decrease to around $110,000. Ethereum is also actively catching up with Bitcoin and is steadily growing, breaking the $4,700 level. The nearest serious resistance is at the historical high of $48.68. Locally, the indicators show overbought conditions, which may lead to a short-term correction to the area of $43.50 or even to $40.90. But if the bulls break through the $48.68 mark, the next target will be the psychological zone of $5,000, and after that, $56 and $60. Interestingly, Standard Chartered analysts recently raised their forecast for Ether for 2025 from $4,000 to $7,500, given the growing demand from funds and corporate treasuries. XRP, unlike the leaders, is showing more restrained dynamics so far. It is currently trading near $3.12 and is trying to stay above the 20-day average. If buyers manage to overcome the 340 level, the road opens to 3.66. But if it falls below 3.11, the risk of a descent first to 2.85 and then to $2.72 will increase, where the bulls will have to seriously defend their positions. BNB showed a beautiful V-shaped reversal from the 730 level and almost reached the resistance zone of $861. An active struggle between buyers and sellers began here. If the price stays above the 20-day average of $794 and continues to rise, the next targets will be $900 and then $1,000. But if the price goes below $794, there is a high probability of a rollback back to $732. Solana also looks confident. The recent surge from the 176 level has lifted the price above $185 and the coin has come close to resistance at 209. The bears are trying to hold this boundary, but if the bulls can break through it, the growth will continue to $240. At the same time, support at 185 remains key. Holding the level will indicate readiness for a new assault, and a breakdown down will open a range of fluctuations between $155 and $209. Dogecoin is still moving in a wide range from 14 to 29 cents. It is currently worth about 23 cents and is trying to gain a foothold above 25. A break of this level will give a chance to test 29 cents, and a close above this limit can launch a large-scale rally up to 44 cents. However, if the price falls below the 20-day average and especially the 50-day average of about 20 cents, the price may drop to 18. Cardano also showed strength. A rebound from 77 cents allowed the price to rise above 86. Now the bulls are trying to gain a foothold above this level in order to open the way to 94 cents and in the future to $1.02, but the support area around 72 cents is critical. If it is broken, the advantage will pass to sellers. The Chainlink continues to rise and is aiming for the resistance zone between 26 and 27. This is where the market may face serious pressure. In the case of a rollback, the support level will be 20.84, and if it breaks, the price risks going down to 18. But if the barrier of $27 is overcome, the road to $31 opens. The situation with the Hyperliquid token is developing interestingly. It is stuck in the range between the moving averages and the lower line of the ascending channel. If buyers manage to gain a foothold higher, we may see a move to $50 and then to $64. But if the price goes below the average, the probability of falling to 36 will increase dramatically. Finally, Stellar is holding at 42 cents and is finding support near the 20-day average. Indicators indicate the advantage of buyers. If the coin can break above 47 cents, the target will move to 52, and closing above this mark will confirm the formation of an inverted head and shoulders with the potential for further growth. Otherwise, if the support breaks, the market may fall to 34 cents. Thus, the cryptocurrency market now looks extremely dynamic. Bitcoin and Ether remain the driving forces and are close to updating historical highs. If they manage to gain a foothold above key levels, this can also pull up altcoins, from Solana and Chainlink to Cardano and Dogecoin. But the market remains highly volatile, and investors should closely monitor support and resistance levels so as not to miss the moment and avoid sharp corrections.